Hello, this is Chris Rochnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're going to be unboxing the myCharge Unplugged 10,000 mAh. This provides up to 5 times extra battery life, and it comes with a wireless charging base. This has a 10 watt output, so it's much higher than the 7.5 watt output that you normally see from a wireless charging battery. So we'll go ahead and take a look inside here. So you can also choose to power your device through a USB Type-A port and charge an additional phone at the same time through one of those ports. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the actual battery itself. So most charging plates only offer wireless charging. They don't give you an option to charge via USB Type-A, but this one gives you both. It's a portable battery pack. It has a nice smooth surface, and it shows you exactly where to put your charging device there. So this comes pre-charged like most of their batteries, and this is almost completely full, which we like a lot. So here are the two USB Type-A ports. You can charge with a wired cable there, or you can use the wireless charging top right here. And then you have the micro USB port right in the middle for recharging this battery. This battery comes from myCharge. You can find this now on Amazon or through their website. This is Chris Rochnaut, and thank you.